Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. Now, this happened on 5/26 of 2024 on the St. Johns River in Duval County when the Florida Fish and Wildlife officers noticed that a vessel had improper registration numbers on their hull. So they did a safety inspection and they found a few little infractions, but it was determined there was a possibility that the captain was under the influence. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Recording.
Bad spacing. How you guys doing? I'm Officer Curry with Florida Fish and Wildlife. The reason we came over, bad numbers. The display of your numbers is incorrect. It should be FL space 4 numbers, 2 letters. So we're going to tie do a quick motor safety inspection. You guys having a good day so far? Hot? Perfect. Give me a second. Once these waves pass, I'm going to get you guys tied up. And then do me a favor, just stay where you're at, bud.
Captain, to your boat. Alright, can you grab your registration ID form? Alright, Captain, can you do me a favor? That's alright. So, because he's the captain, everything we ask for, we need him to get. Okay. So, if you don't mind, just move up there, out of the way, man. And then let him get it, alright?
Yeah, sorry, I said, just give me 1 second, Cap. I'm going to get all that information for you once we get tied up, alright? Hey, Cap, all right, hold on for me. Okay.
Where y'all coming from?
Where are you coming from?
Where you coming from, Captain?
From Sunburn.
Okay,
That's where we be over there.
I gotcha. How long you been out there?
I don't know, maybe 4 hours? Yeah, after lunch, we get there.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir. You check that for me, I think it does it right.
If you can do me a favor and get the registration for this vessel.
That's the registration.
This one for this boat. You sure?
Well, that's all the paper I got is on the boat.
Keep your hands in. I don't want you to get smashed. The whole side of the boat's foam, so it's okay.
All right, Cap, hang on. Before we start digging, what are you digging for? Okay.
I got my license right here.
Papi, no te puedes mover sin decirle a ellos qué estás haciendo, you know that.
All right, just give me 1 second. So this registration's expired. Do you have a valid registration in your bag?
Pay attention to the date, baby.
This is the trailer registration. We're getting farther away. It's the right one? It's the correct one. Alright. There's what we need to see, Cap. We're going to see a life jacket for everybody on board and a Type 4 throwable. That Type 4 throwable is going to be a ring or a square cushion that's USCG approved and marked.
There's chalecos, and what else? Did you say something?
So,
I'm just translating.
okay.
He's asking.
It's going to be a Type 4 throwable and then a life jacket for everybody on board.
I don't know how to translate.
Yeah, I got it.
PFD, this, and the throw cushion. Is this your boat, Cap? Do you know where all your safety equipment's at? You know where your safety equipment is?
I move it all the time. When I
You move it up? All right.
I thought you always keep it down there.
You guys do any fishing today?
No, sir.
I wish. That's what I got.
That's all of them?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. That's what I got. I think I got
There's nothing there.
Didn't you already check this hatch?
Huh?
I thought you already checked that one.
I think it was checking.
All right, check again.
I just got a thing, sir. Here.
You got that type 4 throwable?
What is that?
It's gonna be either ring or the square. It's like a ring, like a donut, or a square cushion. You don't know what I'm talking about? It's like to throw it.
Last time I get it stopped and I got what they told me I was supposed to have.
All right. Well, it's a requirement. It's a square, like a material like that, or a round circle. It's specifically called a type 4.
Yeah, last time I get it stopped because when I just bought the boat, I don't have the number. And I get it stopped, they send me like over here to buy the number. And they told me, yes, you have to have the signature and, you know, the best.
Okay.
They told me.
I can see flares, fire extinguisher, and a sound producing device. That sound producing device can either be a whistle or the boat has a horn. Okay.
The fire extinguisher is here. Bring it out.
So I'm asking for the fire extinguisher, the flares, and you just show me the sound producing device.
I don't have it, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Flares aren't technically required right where we're at. Alright, if you don't mind handing me that, just so I can take a look at that dial.
Yes, sure, no problem.
Alright, so in the green with the pin. So the issues I have on the safety side of things, they're not going to be enough flotation devices, and then also not having a type 4 throwable. Those are two very, very big deals for safety, alright? I know you guys said you weren't fishing today. Would you guys mind if I took a look in the cooler? Perfect. How you-
Para que revise la gaveta. Todas las espejas las
You want us to open it or?
Yeah, if you don't mind, that would be great.
Ábraselo. Vamos ahí. Ábraselo.
Just waters? Okay. Perfect. Yeah, if you don't mind lifting, that'd be great.
What?
Anything in the white bag? Any fish in the white bag or anything? No? Let me see. Oh, okay.
There's no
There might be. Gotcha. Any
bottles.
bottles?
Yeah.
Okay. You mind if I just take a look?
Of course.
Perfect. Okay. Yep. Perfect.
We still fishing. We're trying over there by the stone so many times. We never catch anything.
What was that?
We got a bad look with the fishing. We're trying so many times over there by the stones.
When he goes fishing.
Yeah, when I was go fishing.
Gotcha. You guys said you're coming from the Sand Dollar today?
Yes.
Okay. The bar over here?
Yep.
Okay. Perfect.
Can I pick this up?
Sure. So be honest with me, Cap. Have you been drinking today?
Yes, I'll take some beer.
Yeah.
I think like 4 or 5.
4 or 5 beers?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's been like 4 hours maybe.
6 per hour?
No, 4 hours. That's what
4 hours, 6 beers.
What time is it? We get there like 12:30.
12:30? You know what time it is now?
No, I don't have.
Okay. That's fine.
It's 6. I think it's 6 something.
Gotcha. I appreciate you being honest with me and letting me know that you've had some to drink tonight. I do want to make sure that you're safe to drive and operate the vessel. Would you mind coming aboard my vessel and running through some field sobriety tests?
And I can drive. I didn't drink any.
Okay. So I did see him as the operator, so I just want to make sure as the operator that he's good to do operate the boat, operate the truck. So would you mind just doing these field sobriety exercises with me? You don't mind? Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to have you do, let me get out a life jacket, just since when you come on board, you are going to have your life jacket on. So just hang tight. Now I'm gonna grab one of ours. All right, Cap. So what we'll do, you good, sir? Yeah. Okay. If you don't mind, sir, just walking back this way, I'm gonna have him step back here off this platform. Be careful. I want you to come onto my vessel. Be very careful coming over, all right? Very careful, all right. You do me a favor and put this on? Sure. You ever used a life jacket like that before?
No, these never. I guess
Like that? Okay, that's not quite how it goes, all right? You never, so use this clip here, unclip that. Yep, perfect.
I'm too fat.
So I can loosen this for you. It's stuck in there. Alright. See if that'll wrap around. If it not, you can should be able to pull it down that way. Alright. Perfect. Okay, life jacket on secure. Alright, so what I'm going to do is have you sit right here for me, sir. So like I said, just going to run through a couple exercises, make sure that you're safe to operate the boat and operate the truck when you head out. If you don't mind doing me a favor and just removing those sunglasses for me so we can go through this exercise.
Put them up here so they don't fall, okay?
Okay. So would you mind providing me with your name? Is that exactly on the driver's license you provided me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, same name.
Okay. So I'm going to go through the general instructions part of this. Please sit straight at the edge of your seat. Put your arms down at your side. Place your feet shoulders width apart so you are comfortable and stable. Are you stable? So I need you to do exactly what I'm telling you. So please sit straight at the front edge of your seat.
Front edge of my seat.
Like, try to sit forward on the seat. Perfect. Put your arms down at your side. Place your feet shoulders width apart so you're comfortable and stable. Are you stable? You're good? Do not move your feet until the tasks are over. Stay in this position and do not do anything else until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have any physical defects or disabilities?
No.
Do you have any defects with your eyes?
I use a contact lens.
Okay. Are you sick or injured? Are you under the care of a doctor or dentist?
No.
Are you taking any medication or drugs?
No, I just use Certex for allergies. That's all I take.
Okay. So we're going to go through the test of your eyes. Are you wearing any contacts? Lenses.
Contacts.
What was that?
Contacts.
Contacts? Yes, you are. I'm going to check your eyes. Hold your head still and follow the stimulus with your eyes only. Do you understand? Alright, so again, have you follow this pen right at the tip. Follow the stimulus. Right here. Follow. You gotta follow this.
The boat's been moving, so it's hard.
You just gotta follow this. The boat moving doesn't affect your eyes. Look all the way over here. Further. You gotta look all the way at the pen. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Remember to keep your head straight. Straighten your head.
Look at me.
Yeah, but don't put too far because my eyes don't turn away.
Just go as
I
far
just
as you
need you to-
can.
Okay.
So right here. I want all the way over.
That the way I can see it right there in that corner.
Well, you gotta look all the way over here. I can still see the whites of your eye. Okay? Look over. Follow the tip. Right here. Right, look here. All the way over here. Look at the tip of the pen. Okay? One more time. Look all the way over here. Okay? Look over here. All the way. Can you see this? Look over here. Keep focus. You gotta focus on the pen. Alright? Focus.
Jack, will that 32 point? Yeah, for bed.
Alright? You gotta look at the tip.
Yeah, forget.
Okay? Okay. So do me a favor, look at the tip of this stimulus. Ready? Follow with your eyes only. You saw that, right? Alright, now we're going to move to the finger to nose section. Alright? Make a fist with both hands, extending your index fingers and turning your palms forward. Index fingers. So do exactly like down by your side. Just hang on a second, we'll wait for the rocking. So I'm just going to restart, alright? We're going to start this one over. Finger to nose. Make a fist with both hands. Extend your index fingers and turn your palms forward. Okay. Remain in this position while I explain the task. Do you understand?
I don't understand that part.
I'll read it to you again. Make a fist with both hands. Extend your index fingers and turn your palms forward. Remain in this position while I explain the task. Do you understand?
He means don't move. Don't stay like that
Okay.
while he explains the rest of it. Okay?
So, understand?
Yes, sir.
When I say begin, tilt your head back at a 45-degree angle and close your eyes. You're going to tilt your head back at a 45-degree angle. I tell you to touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your index finger and immediately return it to your side. So I'm going to read that again. When I tell you to touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your index finger and immediately turn it to your side. So that's going to look like this. Okay? So
Remember, wait until he tells you to begin, okay?
So you're going to be touching the tip of your finger right there. It's not going to be the sides, not going to be the side, not going to be the pad, and it's not going to be your fingertip. This is your fingertip right there. It's going to be the dime-sized portion of your nose, okay? When I say right, you must touch your right index finger to your right nose. When I say left, you must touch your left index finger to your left nose. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Begin.
Remember, tilt your head and close your eyes.
I'll do it again with the right hand.
He hasn't told you. He's going to tell you which hand to use. But right now, you need to tilt your head and close your eyes.
Sorry for that.
Tilt your head.
Back at a 45-degree angle. Yep. Close your eyes.
There you go.
Left.
Jacksonville 52 point.
I use the side in the beginning too, right?
That was
He hesitated. He missed it completely.
just recently stopped at
And it didn't bring it down.
407, 52, 12, and 15.
So remember what I explained to you, right? We got to bring the yeah. All right. So remember. So I need you to stay in the position I told you to memorize. Remember. So remember tilting your head back, closing your eyes. Right. Remember what we talked about. Left.
Jacksonville 52, 16, 10, 4, 10, 50.
Each way. Temple.
Temple.
Again, remember what we talked about. Eyes closed, head tilted back for the whole exercise. Right. Okay. Remember what we talked about? Right. Missed that one. Left. Okay. We're going to move on to the palm pat. All right. Place your hands palm to palm with one hand up and one hand down, like this. Exactly how I'm showing you. Remain in this position while I explain the task. You understand?
A little bit, not 100%, but yeah, understand.
So stay like this.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand? When I tell you to begin, turn the top hand over and count out loud 1. Then turn the hand over and count out loud 2, counting only when hands make contact like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
I'm sorry. I understand, but I'm missing some things.
If you want, I can restart the whole thing if you want.
She can help my wife, like something.
Well,
So,
he showed you, so he's going to show you again.
Okay, yeah,
Okay, so just do it just like he shows you.
place your hands like this. Place your palm to palm with one hand up and one hand down, like this. Remain in this position while I explain the task. Do you understand? When I tell you to begin, turn your top hand over and count out loud 1. Then turn your hand over and count out loud 2, counting only when your hands make contact, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Repeat this. Speed up as you go and do not stop until told. Make sure to keep your hands and fingers parallel during each pat. This is parallel, this is not. This is parallel, this is not. Do you understand? Time it. Begin. Begin.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Overhead.
Okay, the next section is going to be hand coordination. Make a fist with both hands. Place your left fist at the center of your chest and your right fist against your left fist, like this.
Left fist, right fist against it.
Exactly how I demonstrated.
Look what he's doing. Left fist. Look at me. Take your left fist, put the end against, and then there you go. Just like that.
Remain in this position while I explain the task. Do you understand? You do understand.
Stay just like that while he explains everything. Just like before, okay?
When I say begin, you must perform 4 tasks. The first task is to count out loud from 1 to 4 while you move your fist in a step-like fashion, making contact between fists at each step. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second task is to memorize the position of your fist after you have counted to 4. Clap your hands 3 times and return them to the memorized position. Reverse order, counting out loud from 5 to 8 and returning your left fist to your chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. The fourth task is to open your hands with palms down and place them in your lap. Do you understand?
Yes.
Begin. What's that?
I just making sure you saw his final position.
So, forward. word was improper touch because there was no touch.
Correct. The same on return.
Okay. All right, so do me a favor, stand up for me. Turn around. Put your hands under your back. You're under arrest for boating under the influence.
Help load the boat.
So here's the deal.
Can
Do
anybody
me a
else
favor,
drive
just
the
have a
truck?
seat, all right?
I can drive.
You can drive the truck if we help you load it?
Yes.
Okay. You can come across here and go get the truck and back it down, and we will help you load it. Okay. Okay. You're not drunk, are you? Okay. Just making sure. I don't want you to get in trouble. Yes, we will help you. Sure. Is there shoes or anything you want to bring with you?
No, my sandals.
Sandals?
And do you have anything on you? Okay. You mind standing up? I'm just gonna.
And your phone?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
on my phone.
All right. And if you can do me a favor,
He's going to
stand
go
up
to
for
the
me.
Duval County Jail
Stand up.
downtown,
Stand
and
up.
he'll have to stay overnight.
He's gonna search.
In the
You don't have
morning,
anything on you?
He'll see the
sir.
judge. they'll
So take a
set
step back
bond,
here.
and then he'll
It's
be
very
able to bond
important
out
that if you
tomorrow
have something on you, that you let me
Once he
know.
gets
It's a
booked in,
felony
he'll
to
be able to
bring
call you.
weapons or contraband into the jail. All right.
Añento.
So let me know if you have anything on you now, because if you bring it into the jail,
Phone.
it's
I'm
felony.
clean. I'm clean.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me take my ring off.
Okay. Yeah, just stay in the center of the boat. I don't want you to drop the ring. All right. So just stay over the boat.
Black bag, can you set it up here for me?
Yes,
All right.
give it to my
So what I'm gonna do is when she comes over, she's gonna grab it from you. Okay?
For evidence, even though it's not him. It's not just him.
I understand, but we just document what's here. We're not saying that it's all his. We just have to document what's here. Yes, ma'am.
So he's gonna give her his ring, but when she walks off.
You can go ahead and come over.
And also,
And you were going to drive the boat, you can come over too. You can step over right there and all the way across. Yeah, off the back there.
usted no puede manejar el bote. No, el bote no.
No, ellos lo van a manejar.
So he's got his ring in his hand. All right.
Excuse me. ¿Sí puede echar el carro para atrás?
Do me a favor. Have a seat right here.
Can I give him a kiss?
That can be quick.
Sorry, baby.
All right.
You have his ID, correct?
Yes, we have his ID. We're going to keep that. That's going to go to jail with him.
Okay.
Okay. If you tell him to back it down close to the dock here,
Okay.
then that way we can walk it up and not have to drive his boat. Okay.